I was installing the driver and chipset driver is already successfully installed, and now when I installing the driver, now laptop is hang, mouse is not working, and the cache lock is also not working. Here is you can see that sometime is also hang issue showing in this laptop. Now I pause the video and then forcefully power off the laptop, then again try to install the other driver and inform you. Power on the again power on the laptop. Now I pause the video and then try to install the other drivers, and let's see what's the other issue. Here you can see that chipset driver is installed. Here you can see that the NVIDIA driver is missing. NVIDIA hardware is not showing. In the previous when I was installing the driver, NVIDIA driver is properly in this yellow mark is showing, but now NVIDIA driver is not showing in this device manager, and here. So now I also try to install other driver, and let's see is now what's the condition. I am also install update the BIOS, and let's see what happened. Now BIOS is also updated, same, okay, but but you can see that now the NVIDIA hardware is again yellow mark is showing. Now I am trying to install the driver of NVIDIA.
से लोड है या वैसे देखिए ना ऑडिट मिड में भी हो सकता है
Is
लेकिन वो एग्जैक्ट
NVIDIA driver is installing.
जो लांजा ले आके और हम लेके जाए और अगले मेहनत जो
Now again during the driver installing, here is stop.
तस्वीरें शेयर करिए शावर के साथ वाला मैप पे वहां पे जा रहा है ये कौन सी डेट है
System is stop and overall working, but is stop in this condition. Still stop in this condition. Now laptop is hang in this condition during the installing of NVIDIA driver. Mousepad not working, touchpad and caps lock is not working, and NVIDIA driver is still not installed, and during the installing laptop is hang.